Like the video if you want Sadie Sink to hit up your DMs.
Well, yeah.
What do you mean I'm not talking?
Realms.
Am I not talking?
I've been searching the end for
Hey,
like long. I found 3 ships, and they've all been eaten by some fat guy that has played the world apparently all night.
Alright, well, maybe if you hop on the world you have with your good friends, we won't cause mischief like that. Actually, me and Hia are kind of up to no good right now, but besides that,
Well, you
we're...
and Hiob aren't like we don't have the end unlocked.
No, but like me and Hiob are actually doing something that like we're actually up to no good, ain't that right, Hiob?
yeah, this is the world is going to hell, bro. It's
I just want to get on! Give me blocks.
bye bye. Wait. All right, here you go. What?
Damn! I loaded
Oh
into
my goodness,
to
bro.
a killing. I loaded and I just saw his loot explode.
Are you kidding me?
So where were we?
Bro, well, I guess we know how that relationship ended.
You're a bitch, bro.
Green, where'd you go?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, I know, but like, where?
I sure did. I'm
All right, I'm
8,000
coming to
blocks
find
away
you.
from home. So,
What does it
yeah.
look like out there?
Yeah, it does.
How do I tame a horse?
Mhm.
Yeah.
Yeah. I beat him with wheat. I killed him with wheat.
Green, stop. Okay, but what am I supposed to be
Oh
doing?
my
I can't.
god!
What the hell did you just get?
Oh my god! This is
That's
a
like every
god
enchant in the
book.
game.
That's crazy. I've never seen that many enchants.
Where's the boat at?
Yeah, it is.
Sure is.
Green. All right, there goes Juno. Actually, no. Nobody
Dude,
loves Juno.
go ahead, bro. Acting
There
like
goes our.
I have any bond with him whatsoever.
Cause you love dudes. And
No,
shit.
no. I don't want to fall for max height. I don't like the way you're talking to my friend right now.
Okay, time for the toxic. Yo, time for the toxic waste. Do I survive? I think so. Who wins between the battle of sour candies? My taste buds or the candy? I'm gonna have to go with the taste buds on this one. Let's test this one out. I just want a 4 out of 10.
No, the other side, yes. No, go up to it and hug it. Just stand there for a second. Wait, hold on. I am gonna die. I'm gonna die. No! I have
Hit
to
him.
go all the way back up
Hit him.
there. I'm gonna drop the water down. Like, yes, but hug it.
Oh.
Yeah, right there. And then just stay there, and I'm gonna drop it down. It's gonna come.
What?
I didn't know
That's
that would.
not water.
I didn't know that would kill you.
What did you think it would do?
I didn't know it would kill you with full diamond. Did you get your stuff back, Keon?
Yeah.
You got some trash.
Dude, it's like we communicate through a dove and an olive branch, bro. Like, I will say something, then 10 minutes later, he will respond.
Kind of like that.
No. Graydon, I'm being serious.
I'm gonna get more
The way
bamboo
you're
for
acting right
6.
now is not very father-like.
Yep, I don't like the way you're talking to me right now on PlayStation Party.
Punish? If you don't
Wait,
punish
how
your
is
dogs, I'll
today?
punish them for
We've
you.
only gotten like 30 days today. So that's a lot.
That's like, each day is like
Like
20 minutes.
yeah.
That means
Oh
we've
my lord.
that means we've literally been playing all day. Like, that's quite literally what that means. What the heck? Who are you? Who are you? Say your name and occupation. Put your hands in the air. See, that's you if you don't put your hands in the air. Where are you? No, you can't go in the secret base. You're too big. You don't even know how to crouch. Because you're just a dumb little entity. You don't have a brain. Yeah. Go back to the nether. Tell all your nether friends that they can kiss my little dinosaur ass. Yeah. Walk. Yeah. Walk. Oh. I almost.
Lens 3 is pretty cool. What else can I get on this? Lens 3. Lens 3, sharpness 4, knockback 2. Okay.
So, you know how I've been working on a little something, right?
You could say that.
Well, trust me, it'll be worth it once I show you.
Right.
So, I had an initial model to conceal a certain thing. And I realized that I needed to seek a better one, and I low-key found something that actually works.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you see this?
Yes.
What do you think is in here?
Definitely not lava.
Do you think Devin will know?
I
Okay,
only
good.
know because I checked because I was only just a little suspicious after you asking me 20 questions about if I'll actually lose all my stuff if I die in lava.
Alright, that's good. What's your attack damage for your netherite sword right now,
Pretty much, yeah.
Devin?
Mine's 14 here, but I got you.
What enchants did you put on it?
Smite 5.
Okay, that's the one I don't have. Actually, no, I don't even trust you. Why?
Holy clutch.
Dude, you know how long that took? I have to put all this back now. It's still raining from the sky.
I thought there was only like 30 of them.
It was to max height.